So, you been shopping for a new Ford lately? Yeah, inventory's pretty sparse these days. Some dealers are quoting $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 over MSRP, and people are paying it. So this is really going to upset those dealers, but it's going to make you very happy. Sunset Ford of Sumner will special order any brand new Ford you want for just MSRP, or maybe even less. That's right. It gets even better if you have a trade, because no one will pay you more for it than Sunset. No one. Plus, you'll still get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you thousands down the road. It's a Sunset exclusive. It's time to save a lot of money on a new Ford, and for Sunset to increase their allocation with Ford by finding new homes for more new Fords. You can almost hear those other Ford dealers screaming about this offer right now. Oh, ain't that cute?
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.